Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am doing rope twist, aka Marley twist, aka Senegalese twist, whatever you want to call them, but I'm using Marley hair and this hair is from ToyoTress. So I'm using blonde tones and here I have this hair in T27, 27 and 613 with each being 18 inches long. So this is my first time ever doing Marley twists or Senegalese type twists, and I'm starting off by creating my boxes. Now I will be doing the rubber band method, making sure to moisturize my hair. So I'm using Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. Then I'm following up with Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel. I'm using 3 pieces of Marley hair for each twist. Now the first combination of the blonde, I'm going to start off with the T27. Making sure the hair is not too tight at the base, I'm crocheting each piece in one by one. I'm lining the hair up, making sure it's even. I'm adding some Shiny Jam to my hair and to the Marley hair. Then tighten down the rubber band. Then I begin to twist. As I'm twisting, I'm making sure I'm twisting each piece of hair in my hand. Then I start to twist them together. Now this is why I call them rope twists or Senegalese twists, because they have that roping effect. While I was twisting, I also was going back in the Shining Jam and adding that to the Marley hair. It really helped soften the hair and gave the twist a nice hold. Because you're twisting the hair, you will get some twisting at the root. So from time to time, you will have to relax the twist to relieve the tightness at the root.
Can you play that again?
This is where it gets confusing when it comes to doing these rope twists, and that's the reason why I shied away from doing it for a while. Because when I twist on my right side, I'm going to actually twist the hair in opposite direction, then twist them together going to my right. And I also prefer to twist the hair in my right hand, then twist them together versus twisting them at the same time. I just noticed when I did that, I created a lot of tension at the root. When I got to my second row, I'm creating a different color combination. So I'm using some of the T27 and I'm adding 1 piece of the 27. Now this is where I was struggling, girl, because I am right-handed. So I was having a hard time twisting the hair in the right direction, because if you do not twist this hair in the right direction, the twist does not come out good. It just won't even form. I ended up redoing this one about 3 times until I finally got it. So on my left side, I had to twist the hair to the left. Then once I twist the hair to the left, I was able to twist them together to the right. For this color combination, I'm using 3 pieces of the 27. Then I'm using 2 pieces of the color 27 mixed with 1 piece of the 613. Then for this one, I'm using 3 pieces of the 613. And for this last twist on this row, I'm mixing in 2 pieces of the T27 and 1 piece of the 613. And I pretty much followed that same color pattern on to the 3rd row. Here's a close-up of me twisting on the right. Now I'm starting off by twisting each piece to the left, then twist them together to the right. I just hate that the rubber band is showing and it just really sticks out because of this hair color. I could have easily fixed that by crocheting 1 piece going vertically, and that would have overlapped over that rubber band and really concealed it. This style took me 6 hours to complete. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have all products used listed, and I will have the link to ToyoTress. Once all my twists were complete, I dipped them in a hot bath. And I'm using a variation of beads that I picked up from a couple of local beauty supply stores. And girl, I don't know what I was thinking by not getting a bead threader, but I went ahead and added them on, and it really didn't take as long as I thought it would because some of these beads had large openings. I mixed colors and styles, and I added 2 on some and 3 on others. I laid my baby hairs. I'm adding some mousse and finish it off with some freeze spray. I'm taking a really large satin scarf and tying my hair down. And I do this every night before I go to bed to protect my style. And this is the complete look. Rope twist with beads. Perfect protective style for this spring. I'm loving these blonde twists, and the beads on it really gives that boho style. And this style will continue to look better and better each day. Give me a thumbs up for my first time doing this style, and I think it came out really nice. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what type of video you guys would like to see next. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.